we're sharing with you the top 5 mistakes in remote innovation. It's great to see you starting online now people work at home. In this video, Andy Constable, certified online facilitator of the 4th innovation method, shares with you the top 5 mistakes when you start to innovate remote with Miro, Mural and Teams or Zoom. Watch until the end to see his bonus tip for online facilitators. Let's start straight away.
Mistake number 1, try to reciprocate in-person meetings online. We've all been in in-person meetings with one person speaking and just sharing slides. This doesn't work online, mainly because it's very difficult to read body language. You need to be very interactive in how you share content and how you ask the audience for engagement. Mistake number 2, poor timing. We've been in in-person sessions which last for 8 hours without breaks, but trying to complete an 8-hour session online leads to boredom, people flicking the internet, and leads ultimately to eye strain. So never have an online session that lasts longer than 3 hours, even if it means more meetings. Mistake number 3, struggling with tools. As COVID has been with us for quite a while now, a lot of people are used to remote meetings using video formats such as Zoom and Microsoft Teams, and online collaboration tools such as Miro and Miro. Although not everyone is, so ensure that you have an onboarding meeting before the first session to get people used to these formats. Mistake number 4, boring sessions. Imagine running an innovation session where the facilitator is just speaking to a computer screen with no engagement.
Boring.
It can be soul destroying, so ensure that all participants have their camera on and are able to unmute themselves in the meeting. This allows the facilitator to read body language to see if people are struggling and to prompt people to ask questions as a participant. Mistake number 5, not having a plan B. What happens if the tools stop working? What happens if the internet stops working?
I can type on Mural, I can type on Miro.
As facilitators, things like this will happen. It's part of running sessions. Therefore, have a plan B. As an example, if you use a whiteboarding tool, switch to another format such as Google Jamboard or Microsoft PowerPoint should your other product fail. Bonus tip. When the participant's camera is on, look for changes in lighting on their face. This is a sure sign that they may be distracted and browsing the internet, therefore not engaged in your session. Ask them a question to get them back in the room. This will quickly stop their browsing and gain their attention.
To help you structure your sessions, my additional tip is to use a proven online innovation method, like the 4th innovation method. It's 100% online with Miro or Mural and Zoom or Team or WebEx. Check the website 4th-innovation.com for this map in 13 languages and a list of certified online facilitators to help you to start innovating online effectively. And watch this 2-minute movie now to see how, with the 4th methodology, we ideated 1,314 ideas online on Miro. Let's innovate online and stay safe.